okay? Are you okay? I'm trying to brake. Oh my God.
What?
You didn't see that behind us?
No. Was there a crash?
Look, yes.
Oh my God.
Whoa! Fucking.
Gyro holder. Oh, what the fuck? Shit. Oh shit. No, wait. Right. I'm gonna call 911.
Stop, man. Outside lane. Leave. Stop.
Yo, she's trying to lift this things you see in Atlanta, bro. I gotta go. Oh my God.
Attempt number 4 of mounting the paddle.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit. Oh. Good job.
How many you got? Ready? Go.
Put 7 in there.
Signing off from here. Bye. See ya, Mom.
Oh!
Oh no! Get up! Get up! My knee! No, that's not my niece! That's not my niece!
Oh my God.
Fucking hell! She's not gonna target this fucking thing! What is that? It's got a Ferrari sticker on it. Oh my God.
It'll work. That's not it.
Yep, that's. I told you!
I didn't see it. It was fun.
Don't worry, it's gonna be on Facebook.
Wrist moving.
Oh my, no, no, no. What is wrong with people?
Hold on, boys. Oh my God. Oh my.
I'm shot!
Faster, faster. She got it!
The film that is the latest one in the hands of
Yo.
Superman.
Okay, Cody. Oh God, I'm scared. Bunch of girls. Oh shit.
Oh gosh, she's pissed off. Oh shoot. She opened the door, she's crazy.
And that girl had her window open. Oh! You missed! Now what are they gonna throw?
She's giving him the bird.
Holy moly.
Really? Are they gonna keep going?
I guess.
Road rage. God, it's getting terribly close to them.
Now what they're throwing. Oh my gosh! Really? Oh jeez. Oh my god! Holy shit, they almost crashed. Oh Jesus. Oh god. Oh my gosh. Wow.
She hit the car.
Oh! Yo! Oh my god, bro! Holy shit! Oh my god! Yo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit! Yo! Holy shit, bro! Oh no! Yo! Holy shit! Bro, he don't care! He doesn't care!
Alright, now go home, bitch!
Okay, Garmin, save video.